Hi everyone. I want to introduce you to a new program, a new software program that I found for presentations. It's called Zoho Show. In your browser, enter in Zoho Show, choose online presentation software, and it will take you to this screen. You're going to sign in, which will take you here. If you have not signed in, if you don't have an account, you're going to go down to the bottom to create your account. Once you click sign in now, it will ask you for your email address. Once you enter your email address, they will send you a confirmation email. I'm going to go ahead and sign in real quick while I show you this. You'll get a confirmation email asking you to confirm your account. Once you click on confirm your account, it will ask you to enter a password and to confirm your password. Once you do that, it will actually take you back to a screen that looks like this, except it won't have sign in and get started now. You'll just create your just click on create presentation. If you already have an account, it'll take you to a screen that looks kind of like this. You will choose create. We're going to do presentation. Whichever way you get there, from if you have an account or if it's the first time, it will take you to a screen like this. You're going to choose your presentation theme, which I like this one. If you don't like those colors, you can change the colors. You can change the fonts that they give you. Let's change something else. Let's choose this one. Tell it OK. The first thing you're going to notice is this program looks very similar to PowerPoint. It does a lot of the same features that PowerPoint does. Let's create a couple slides. This is going to be our title slide. Works kind of the same as PowerPoint. If you just hit slide, it'll bring up a random slide, or if you want to choose what's next, just do the drop-down box. These bottom 3 slides are not available through PowerPoint, so those are a little different. So let's choose this one because I like it. So we're going to add it. This will let you add in pictures. Let's choose this one, insert. Over here, let's do this one. If you notice, you can add in any pictures. These were actually from my computer. You can use Flickr. You can use the URLs from online to add it in. Let's insert. Let's see. As far as insert, you can insert pictures, shapes, text, hyperlinks, videos, Twitter feeds, themes. If you go, well, I don't like that theme, let's change it. You can change it here. You can change your fonts here as well. You can change your color, your background, your styles. Transition is how your slides transition from one slide to the other. Animation will let you add animation to your slides, which PowerPoint doesn't have that feature. You can create a slide. You can view your slides. This is the slide view. This is how you view kind of here as you're working on it, your layout as you're working with it. You can review. This is spell check. You can create a different version of this. You can view version history, which comes in very handy. And I will show you why in just a sec. So let's close out of that, but let's go over to share. This program will let you publish your presentation to the external world. Once you publish it, you can send out links to, or by using someone's email, for anybody that's on your team, any of your classmates, any of your coworkers, anything like that. You can give them the right, they can read it only, or they can read and write, which will let them make changes to your presentation. You can lock in slides once you've decided, okay, this slide's good, we want this one, we're keeping it. You can lock in slides so that changes can't be made to it. When you send out the email or the kind of the invitation to your presentation, they'll kind of get an email like this. and they will just click here and it would take them to your presentation. Back at the review, view version history, this will let you see who has made any changes and who hasn't made any changes, which is really good, especially if you're working on a team and you saw, okay, Sally made a change yesterday, so let me see what she did. There is a mobile app that you can download as well to your iPad or your tablet, your smartphone, that as long as you have internet access, you can make changes anytime. Another really good feature with this is you can chat. This is anyone who has access to your presentation. You can chat with them while you're making changes. This is real time. So as you are working on your document, you can chat with them. If you see that somebody made a change and you're kind of wondering why, you can go, hey, why'd you change that? In order to do this in PowerPoint, you would actually have to download your document into SharePoint or some other program such as that. In order to share it, you would have to use Skype Business in order to be able to communicate with somebody or chat with somebody. But you can do all of that from this one program. You don't have to go backwards and forward between programs. This program actually is kind of like Microsoft Office and QuickBooks kind of wrapped into one. If you noticed back when I did create, document would be kind of like Microsoft, would be kind of like Word. Spreadsheet would be like Excel. Presentation is PowerPoint. This does have a lot of other features that you can add if you own your own business. You can add other features in it to help with that as well. Just kind of the basic program is free. Once you start adding other things in it, there is a price list for it, but just for basic use, like what we were kind of doing here with a presentation, it's free. What else was I going to tell you? As far as education, projects that this can be used for in education is a group history project, science experiment presentation, a book review presentation. It's very easy to use, like I said, very similar to PowerPoint. So give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks.